things that I've learned in talking to so many people and actually going through my own issues with headaches is that there's no silver bullet. There's no easy one-stop solution. And a lot of it comes down to lifestyle choices that we're making. Are we sitting properly? Are we moving enough? Are we eating the right things? But also, we have a lot of different elements going on, and we need to look at each of those. And one of the things is muscles. And we all know that the Teeter's great at decompressing the joints. The muscles play a huge factor, and that's why we bought in the rollers. And these allow you to get the myofascial release. Fascia is like a spider web or a pillowcase that all the muscles are stuffed into. And when it gets hung up in a spot, it can have this trickle down effect. For example, my core issue is in my shoulder. And when my shoulder is pulled out, and really it's from mouse use or writing, when that happens, my shoulder goes forward, it drops down, it pulls my neck out, and then I have a screaming headache. And I think I have a headache, but I actually have a shoulder issue, and it took me 10 years to figure that out. And one of the things I discovered that really helped me was rolling, because if we can get our muscles in proper symmetry, a proper balance, then things fall like dominoes from there. So by incorporating rolling, incorporating massage releases and techniques with inversion, that multifaceted approach really expedites the recovery process and helps you feel better sooner.